The biggest lie that young people 18, 19, and 20 years old are told is to go to college and they're guaranteed to get a high paying job. This is drilled into you by the school system and then reinforced by parents who are living in the past. While it might have been true many years ago, I can promise you that that's not the only way to actually make money in this day and age. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that studying is a waste of time, because there's many degrees that actually make sense and do turn into high-paying jobs. But what I am saying is that relying solely on a degree is not the only way to get rich. That's why it's so important as you're studying and going to college to start a side hustle that has the ability to grow into bigger things in the future. Look, when I went to college, I failed 3 semesters in a row and eventually dropped out. But it was in the pursuit of one of these side hustles that I'm actually going to share with you in this video. Ultimately, the side hustles when I first got started grew the skill set that took me to becoming a 7-figure business owner. That's why today I'm gonna dive into the 7 side hustles students can start this year. And to be honest, this can apply to anybody in the world. And because I hate those generic, silly videos, I'm gonna be breaking down each of these side hustles into 3 different categories and ranking them on a scale from 1 to 10, based on how much money they can make, how much capital it actually takes to start up, and number 3, how much time you need to invest into making your first $1,000. So number 1 is eBay, Facebook flipping. Pretty much another way to say this is arbitraging. So you take something and you buy it from either Goodwill, you buy something from Walmart, you buy something that's cheaper from Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, from these different stores, and you take it and then you sell it online. You actually flip it, and the goal is to be able to buy it for lower and then you sell it for higher, so whatever you sell it for is pure profit for you. Now, this is what I did a lot of, and another subcategory in this is flipping shoes or flipping couches, like big influencers are talking about nowadays. But ultimately, it's just taking something and selling it for much higher. It might take a little bit of time to be able to make your first $1,000, because the reality is most of the sales that you're gonna make, you're maybe profiting $20 to $30 per item, and so you're gonna have to do this over and over and over and over again. But the cool part about this is that it's never going away. So if you learn this skill at a lower end now, this can translate into a really big skill set later down the line. It's just deal finding at the end of the day. That could turn into deal finding for real estate, which is a way bigger opportunity, but the skill set starts here. So I'd rank this a 2 out of 10 because it is going to take a lot of time to make your first $1,000. You don't have to have a ton of money, so I'm gonna rate this more on the 8 to 9 scale because you don't have to have a lot of money. And then how much money that you can make, I'm gonna say a 5 out of 10, because if you get really good at it, you can make a ton of money. It's just gonna take a long time, and most people never get to that spot. So I'm gonna rank this side hustle a 6 out of 10 to start. The main reason being that it's very hard to find great deals that you're gonna make a lot of money on, and it takes a lot of time to do it. But again, the skill set is what matters. A good frame that I took very early on that can apply to this specific side hustle is that you're here to learn rather than earn. So if you learn the skill, it can pay off a lot down the line. Now, number 2 is freelance copywriting. Now, I don't know what it is, but this has taken the world by storm recently. A lot of people are starting it because you can land a $2,000 to $5,000 per month client. And what's nice is you don't have to have a lot of capital to get started on it, but it is harder to land your first client and gain somebody's trust enough to write their emails and write their marketing for them. The money that you can make on this is through the roof, but most people never get there. And so what I'm gonna say, and I'm gonna rank this, how much money you can make, I'm definitely gonna rank it on the higher end on a 2 out of 10. How much time do you actually need to make your first $1,000? I'm gonna say 20 to 30 hours of cold outreach, getting rejected over and over and over again. But what's nice is that one client can pay you what you could make in a month somewhere else. So the rejection ultimately becomes worth it. And one of the better things about this side hustle is that if you do a really good job and you deliver, you can start stacking recurring revenue that happens month in and month out. On how much time you need, I'm gonna say this is more of a 6 or 7 out of 10 because it is gonna take a little bit longer. And how much money you need to start, this is one of the best out of all the side hustles. I'm gonna rank it a 1 out of 10 because you don't have to have any money to start. All you need is a phone and maybe a computer to get going. Now, number 3 is social media marketing. Essentially what this is you go to a service service-based business or you go to an online business and you say, hey, I can produce short form content for you, I can edit videos for you, I can help you get more clients. Ultimately, that's what social media marketing is, building websites and helping businesses get traction. What's nice is that this doesn't take a lot to start. It also is more like copywriting, where it takes a while to be able to get a client, but once you get a client, they can pay as long as you continue to deliver on the services. And they can pay you forever, essentially, if you keep showing up and getting them great results. And honestly, it's a no-brainer for businesses that if you can actually make them money and they can trust that if they put $1 in, they're gonna get $10 back, and they see the return on investment, makes it a no-brainer for them to hire you, get you paid so that you help them get paid. It will take a little bit longer to get your first client. That is the hardest part, but once you do, it gets a lot easier after your first client. And how much money you can make, I mean, there's people that have become millionaires just from this, and you can make a good 6-figure year income just by doing this. So I'm gonna rank it on how much money you can make. I'm gonna say it's a 3 out of 10. This is actually a really great opportunity. And as far as how much time it takes you to make your first $1,000, this is probably gonna take 40 to 100 hours to get your first client of doing outreach and getting constant rejection. Once you get that first client, it pays for all the time that you just put into it. And how much money you need to start? You actually don't need any money. All you have to do is fulfill. And what you need is you need a phone. You're gonna need a computer, because most of the time with social media marketing, you're gonna be editing for somebody or making websites, which you're gonna need a computer for. Now, number 4 is selling print on demand or selling things through TikTok Shop. What's nice is that you don't have to have a lot of money to start this side hustle, but it's just like the very first one with the eBay, that you're only making a small percentage and a small profit per item that you sell, and you're gonna have to sell a lot of items to make your first $1,000. So I'd say on a scale of 1 to 10, this is probably gonna be a 6 or 7 out of 10 to get going, because starting out is the hardest part. How much money that you need to make? You don't have to have any money to start, which is nice. Number 2, you can make income pretty fast, but it's going to be smaller. And number 3, how much time do you actually need to invest? I'm gonna say again, 50 to 100 hours to make your first $1,000 doing this. So overall, I'm gonna rank this side hustle a 6 or 7 out of 10, just because of how hard it is to start. Number 5 is dog walking. Now, this is actually really funny, because when I was younger and in elementary school, middle school, and high school, this is one of the side hustles that me and my mom and my brother actually took on. What was house sitting and taking care of pets when the owners are gone, because owners care a lot about their pets. They care about them just like they're their own child, and they want to make sure they're taken care of. So people are more willing to pay premium for this. And for example, I was listening to a podcast of this guy talking about his dog walking business, and he was making 7 figures per year, over $1 million per year dog walking. So it's definitely possible to do it. You don't have to have any money to start out. It doesn't take a lot of time to do it, and it's honestly not going to take you a ton of time to make your first $1,000. You're just going to have a network of people and get referrals going with this. So I'm going to rank this all in all a 3 out of 10, because you're going to have friends or people that really trust you to be able to make this work. Now, number 6 is drop shipping. Now, a lot of the people that you're probably watching right now are talking about the golden age, that this is the best opportunity to be able to make money. What's nice is that definitely probably is, because the way that people buy online now has completely changed from going in person to the convenience of buying product from over the phone, especially with social media platforms pushing these product sales more and more nowadays. It does take a lot of capital to start up, about $5,000 to $8,000 just to start up your business. Number 2, it does take a lot of time. So I'm gonna say that because it does take a lot of money, it does take a lot of time to get up, but the opportunity to make a ton of money is real, and I'm talking about $30 to $50 million per year businesses, and it's very stable once you get it going. I'm gonna rank this a 5 to 6 out of 10, and the reason that I say that is because it takes so much investment of energy, funds, and time at the very start. Now, the seventh and final side hustle that I want to share with you is one that you might have never heard of. The other ones you might have heard of before, but the reality is this seventh one that I want to share with you has actually created the most millionaires out of any other industry service in the world. And it's actually one that you've probably never heard of. It is called life insurance. This is where I made my first $1,000 online, because you don't have to have a lot of money to get started up front. It doesn't take a lot of time to make your first sale, because the average sale is $1,000. So you spend 2 hours reaching out to people or having people come to you, you can make your first $1,000 fairly quickly. And how much money you can make? I mean, the statistic says itself. This industry makes the most millionaires out of any other industry in the world. Now, what I did specifically for you is actually create a whole beginner's guide on exactly how to sell life insurance, why the industry makes the most millionaires, and how do you actually get paid, and how much realistically can you make. I answer all these questions and more in this complete beginner's guide. So click this video right here and I'll see you inside.